This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. This is Alma, Michigan in the early 1900s, a small town with big industry. The Alma Sugar Company's beet factory looms against the sky, its refinery processing 500 tons of sugar beets a day when it opened. By World War I, hundreds of local workers labored here, producing precious sugar for America's kitchens and doughboys. Here we see the Alma Roller Mills by the Pine River. Built in 1881, this mill ground wheat into flour, branded as Alma Queen Flour, to feed a growing nation. During World War I, mills like this kept up flour supplies while U.S. wheat was shipped to the troops overseas. Alma Manufacturing Company, soon renamed Republic Motor Truck, was at the heart of Alma's war contribution. In this photo, taken around 1917, the factory yard is filled with freshly built Liberty trucks, heavy-duty military vehicles. Alma's plant built thousands of these standardized Army trucks, making the town one of America's truck-making capitals in World War I. Here are Liberty trucks lined up in Alma, ready to be shipped over there. Townsfolk cheered as convoys of these Alma-built trucks rolled out, carrying the hopes of a nation at war. Each truck was a testament to American industrial effort, and many were driven on the battlefields of France. Alma was also feeding the war effort. This is Swift & Company's produce plant, which collected milk, eggs, and meat from local farms. During World War I, Swift's Alma facility packed butter and canned goods that helped sustain both soldiers abroad and families at home. Transportation was key. The Union Depot in Alma saw up to 18 passenger trains a day. Troop trains departed, and freight trains arrived to haul away Alma's sugar, flour, and trucks. This small-town depot was a gateway to the world, linking Alma's output to Detroit, New York, and beyond. Even amid industrial bustle, Alma nurtured its community. The Michigan Masonic Home opened in Alma in 1911 in a former sanitarium donated by local benefactor Ammi Wright. This stately residence became home to retired Masons, a symbol of charity and stability during uncertain times. In just a few decades, early 20th century Alma, Michigan transformed into a powerhouse of sugar, food, and machinery. This quiet town's contributions, from sweet sugar to Liberty trucks, played a small but crucial part in the larger story of World War I. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.